Hello everyone, this is Lulu. We're making delicious bao bun with a ground beef and chives filling today. Let's begin with the dough. For bao bun wrapper, mix yeast with lukewarm water first. And now let's mix sugar and flour together. Give a little gentle stir. Gradually pour yeast water into flour and stir at the same time. Gradually pour yeast water into flour as we stir. Will help flour absorb yeast water evenly. Of course, you may also use a stand mixer to do this step. Because every brand of flour has a different water and absorbing rate, so you will need to slightly adjust the measurements of the water in the end. And now we're going in with a hand to knead for a few minutes until a rough dough form. Once we have this rough dough form, we'll let it sit for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, we will continue kneading dough for another 6 to 8 minutes until you feel dough become soft, also have a smooth surface. Okay, the dough has become a lot softer. We also have a smooth surface. I'm going to sit on the side to cover up, allow improve until double in size. Usually it's about an hour or hour and a half. While waiting on the dough, let's prepare our fillings. Wash some chives and use a paper towel to dry them first. If you can find the chives, may also use scallions to go with the ground beef. That taste is also delicious. We'll mince the chives to small pieces, then we'll give 1 to 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil to seal the chives. Using oil to seal chives not only can lock in the aroma of the chives, also can prevent chives become watery. Okay, now the chives is ready. Let's flavor our ground beef. I have 1 pound ground beef today. 2 tablespoons sesame oil. Some salt to taste. One teaspoon chicken bouillon. 1 tablespoon oyster sauce. And some ground black pepper to taste. One teaspoon of 5 spices. Give it 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. Some white ground pepper to taste, about 1 tablespoon of ginger powder, and let's mix all flavors into ground beef together. Now we're adding our chives and give a good mix to combine ground beef and chives together. I'm also going to add some glass noodles with the beef and chives together. I have some pre-soaked glass noodles. Now I'm going to boil them until softened. On medium to high heat, boil glass noodles for about 8 to 10 minutes and they'll become really soft. Turn off the heat once the glass noodles is softened. Transfer them into a cold water. Then drain water, transfer them on the chopping board. Let's cut them into small pieces. It doesn't have to be exactly the same even pieces, just as small as you can. I usually just run my knife through back and forth a few times, just like this. And now we can combine glass noodles with chives and ground beef together. Then give a good mix, and you can add a little bit more sesame oil here or not, it's optional. Let's make a wrapper. I'll dust more flour on working surface and pick one, flatten by hand again. Use a rolling pin, give a gentle press front and back a couple times. Now we'll pick up a dough by left hand. Use a rolling pin to roll from edge to center back and forth, as left hand is rotating the dough at the same time. Repeat this motion for 2 to 3 minutes, then we'll have thin edge, thicker center Bao Bun wrapper. Give some fillings in the center of the wrapper. If this is your first time, don't give it too much, so it'll be easier for you to fold bao bun together. And now we're going to use a right index and thumb to pinch the corner to create the first plate. Use your left hand to help to stretch the wrapper and fold. Then pinch the wrapper all the way around the edge until the bun is completely closed. Even the bao bun doesn't close nicely or doesn't look so pretty, it's okay. It really doesn't change the taste. Once the bun is closed, you can shape them a little bit. Make sure it's round and then twist on top. Make sure it's completely closed, the filling will not come out. And an extra piece of dough, you can just remove them. And there you go. This is how do we wrap bao buns. Okay, let's watch one more time. Rolling pin, rolling from edge to center, back and forth. Then we're gonna put filling in. Again, use the index and the thumb of the right hand, pinch the corner to create the first plate. Use your left hand to help stretch, fold, pinch the wrapper all the way around the edge until the bun is closed completely. I'd like to show you another easier way, which is folding buns on working surface. Just like this. Put a wrapper on working surface. Use both hands to fold together. This way I have steady bottom. I just focus on both hands folding the buns together. When I initially learning how to do bao bun, this is how I learned. I found this way is a lot easier. Let's see one more time. Once we finish wrapping all the buns, we'll leave them in the steamer without cover to let them rise for another 20 minutes or double the size. Once time is up, steam the buns over medium heat for about 20 minutes. We're starting counting down the time when you see the steam come out from a steamer. When time is up, turn off the heat. Make sure to open the lid before you let it sit for 8 to 10 minutes. That way we can avoid shrinking. Here you have it. Fluffy, juicy bao buns from Lulu's home kitchen. Thank you very much for watching. If you like my channel, please subscribe, like, and leave comment. And I will see you all next time.